Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shashan Code. Today I covered second problem in HackerRank. Second problem is play with character. So first, uh, tomorrow I covered Hello World. So some people have problem. Why use scan app? We need to print Hello World. So why use scan app? So I cleared this doubt. Given task is print hello world on single line and then print already provide input string by HackerRank compiler. Here I use scanf is for input from user and here user is HackerRank. So HackerRank provide a string value. Then we print this string using printf percentage %s. Okay, starting second problem, play with characters. This challenge will help you to learn how to take a character, a string, and a sentence as input in C. To take single character as input, you can use scanf and printf. Write a character specified by the argument character to std out. This piece of code prints the characters. You can take a string as in input using scanf percentage %s, s, but it's exact string only until it finds the first space. In order to take a line as input, you can use scanf and this syntax, where s is defined as character as maximum length when max length is the maximum size of s. Here, bracket is scan set character and this stands for taking input until a new line is not anchored. Then we the percentage star C. It's read the new line character and here the used star indicates that this new character is discarded. Task is you have to print the character in the first line, then print S in next line. In the last line, print sentence. Simply input from HackerRank is first characters, then line, then sentence. So we need to, as a task, we need add macron. Hashtag define max len is so 100. So first declaration characters and send string length it maximum length, then sentence. We need to scan character from user, then backslash n. This for after giving some input from user, then next scan in new line percentage m ch printf percentage c ch print next line after, then scanf scan a string, then new line add or save in s, then print this string and next line scanf percentage brackets print sentence S sentence. So first code run simple test case is successfully, then submit code. Here HackerRank test many cases. You can show this as hello how are you, said learning C is fun. So you can write all logics, not directly print this. Okay, thank you. Like, subscribe and share this video.